Hey, Mark O'Brien with Build Me a Brownstone at 625 East 6th Street, unit number 8. About to hit the market. 1 bedroom, top floor, great southern sky, 11.5-foot ceilings, wood floors, looking out at the historic building across the street and a garden as well, community garden. So big windows looking south into the living area, decorative fireplace, big closets. This is an old artist loft, so there were no closets at all. The owner has installed these closets with bamboo covers. Also, she put in a great kitchen and great floors, a combo washer dryer, sink, oven, 4-burner stove, bedroom, and small bathroom in the back with 2 big windows and a window in the bathroom as well, facing north. I'll let you slip through and check out the bathroom also. Some nice brick detail as well. Kind of fun artist loft kind of setup with doors. You can put privacy curtains as well. And again, 625 East 6th Street, apartment number 8.